Hi, today we will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. The only available color is graphite that we got after renewing our plan with Globe Telecom. The price is 31,990 for plan 1299. The cash out is 18,100. So right now let us see how it looks like. So let's peel off the seal. Peel up the top part and then the bottom part. So here it is. Peel off the paper cover. So that's it. And on the box it includes some paperwork and the SIM card ejector tool. And also the USB-C to USB-C cable. So for the specifications and the performance review, we'll create another video or a separate video for that. Thank you.